Alright, so we tested the offset calibration and nothing happened. Turns out that in this particular configuration, the O drive is expecting the encoder to perform an index search. So we set it all the way at the bottom this time. The first time we tried it, that broke the little pulley mount on the motor housing. It was at the halfway position upwards. I've had issues with this before where it'll rotate in either direction to try and find the index, which is super unpredictable. Right now it's set all the way to the bottom. I'm going to reboot the O drive and hopefully it'll do its job and find the index properly. I'll be quick to shut off the output of the power supply though, just in case something bad happens. So let's see what happens. Okay, that is rotating downward for some reason. So I'm going to move it up a little bit and we'll see what it does this time. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it found its index at the bottom there. I'm going to power it off and I'm going to rotate it up a bit and we'll see if it moves downward now. It's moved up a little more than the last time. We're going to see if it moves downward to find the index again. Excellent, okay. Okay, I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to move it all the way up, or not all the way up, I'm going to move it about halfway up. So I'm curious to see if a full rotation or half rotation of the motor causes the index to reset again and it tries to rotate in the other direction. In theory, it should work at either the top bottom position. It's about 1.5 rotations for the full stroke of this actuator currently. So we'll see if this works. Okay, that is pretty close to the bottom there. So this looks like it works now. I kind of want to move it all the way to the top or close to the top to see what would happen, because that would be close to the full extension of the knee when this thing is mounted. So we're going to try that test live here and we're going to see if it does work, just to see what happens. A little bit of resistance now that that extra pulley's gone, but it's close to the top now. I don't want to move it all the way to the top because that's what caused that to break last time at the bottom there. So we're going to give this one more shot here, see if it moves downward. If it moves upward, I hope it doesn't break something, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, let's try it one more time, full extension. Let's go full send here and see what happens. So that's pretty much full extension there. Let's see if it resets properly here. I hope it does. I really do. Interesting. So it found its index at that position there. Must be based off of a full rotation. So that the other half rotation is pretty much in this last bit of the actuator there. I'm going to reset it once more. See if it moves a little bit. Okay, there we go. A little click noise. Found the index. We'll move it down a bit. Reset it one more time. See what happens. Okay, power cycle. Didn't power cycle the O drive because they're still charging the capacitors. There we go. Beauty. All right, I think this will work. I'll keep doing a bit more testing here. And we'll see how it goes.